Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's Friday. We're in the Hellcat. Oh, I love this thing. Oh, I love it. Even when you don't even get on it. I can't even half throttle this thing. It's so cold out right now. We'll probably end up in a ditch. Man, I love driving this thing though. Sucks not driving it. But we are headed to Boost because it's Friday, so if you've been following the channel, if you're new, make sure you go back and watch some of the old videos. But my car is going back into Boost Performance today to make some more power. Not sure, it's kind of dark right here going under the bridge. Not sure when it will be done. They said Tuesday, but I know they're really busy. I've got pushed back 2 weeks already, so I'm guessing, you know, maybe by the end of the week they'll get me in, or they'll get the car finished. But not gonna say what all we're doing yet. We're gonna kind of leave that. But the car already made 800 to the wheels, very conservatively, and we're gonna do some more mods, hopefully bump that power up. And like I said, don't think I'm gonna post the actual power results, but you guys will kind of be able to figure that out once I tell you what we're actually doing to the car, just based off what other Hellcats have made with similar mods. Yeah, real excited. So all this construction going on. Real excited to finally get these mods done to the car. Be just in time for the track, because the track's opening soon. And yeah, just real excited finally to get the car done. So we're headed over to Boost Performance, and we'll see you guys there. God, I love that supercharger whine. If you want your supercharger to be stupid loud, get the LMI intake. Because that thing is ridiculous. Alright guys, so here we are at Boost Performance. I forgot they don't open until 9, so that's fine, we'll just drop it off. Alright guys, so I got picked up in the Jeep Wrangler. What is this thing?
Oh, this is a Commander.
Jeep Commander. Patriot.
There we go.
This is a Patriot.
Oh no, what's the little ugly ass?
Farben Kuiper. Oh shit, that dude's... Don't even feel the shifts. Did you see that? Boy! Damn, this shit's nasty. So this is going in next for a 4.9 Kenny Bell. Lower pulley, obviously, bolt-ons, E85. It's gonna have an 85 and a C16 tune. It's gonna be fucking nasty. If you guys think I should get the Kenny Bell, comment below. You know what? When I break 20,000 subscribers, I'll buy a Kenny Bell.
I don't think I'm ever breaking 20K.
Hey, Kevin's stuck at 19,847 or 57, something like that.
Giving up.
Get this guy to 20K.
And I'll eat 10 cheeseburgers.
10 whole cheese. I don't even like cheeseburgers, man. Damn, is that a King Ranch? Look at that King Ranch, boy.
Is this actually a King Ranch?
Yeah, those are the old school ones.
Ew, that is the ugliest fucking... Those are the worst Fords ever made, right there.
Those and the... Whenever they had that 5.4 liter Triton motor. Terrible. It's time for a bang. I got clients here pretty soon.
I'm going back to bed.
Kevin's going back to bed. She's a little bitch.
I got shit to do today.
So I'm gonna go by Boost later today, and I'll update you guys there.